Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by backing up anything irreplaceable. This prevents accidental loss. Now close apps and open Task Manager to see active programs because you want accurate results. Once done, run disk cleanup or storage settings, target temporary files, download folder and system cache. Do this first. Why? Because clearing these areas quickly frees space and reduces background noise, which makes deeper scans faster and safer. Pause if you find a suspicious file. Note its location for the next step. You now perform a deeper sweep. Run a reputable cleaner to remove cache, logs, and leftover installer files. This removes clutter other tools miss. Next, uninstall apps you no longer need through Control Panel or Settings, and then manually check program files and app data for remnants. Also, sort your drive by size to find big files. Preview them so you know what they are before deleting. Make sure to empty the recycle bin afterward, because freeing space only completes when deleted data is purged. You finish by emptying the recycle bin and rebooting. This applies deletions and clears locked files. Once restarted, run a quick scan again to confirm space was reclaimed, and then enable Storage Sense or set scheduled cleanups so clutter doesn't return. If something breaks, an app won't open or files are missing, use your backup first. If that's not available, run System File Checker or built-in repair utilities to restore system files. Keep a note of what you removed so you can reverse steps if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.